I think most people are using Temu coupon codes completely backwards, not because the codes don't work, but because they're using them at the wrong time. Here's what I mean. Mistake number 1. People spend 10 minutes shopping first, fill their cart, and then start looking for a coupon. That's exactly what I used to do. And honestly, the savings were never impressive. Mistake number 2. People trust every working code they find online. I did that too. I copied codes from YouTube, TikTok, random blogs, and most of them gave me almost nothing. Tiny discounts, basic offers, no real free gift activity. Then I decided to stop chasing random codes and actually compare them one after another. Same account, same product, only the coupon changed, and that's when I found the code on screen. This was the first code that consistently changed the experience, not just the discount at checkout, the entire session. I started seeing larger coupon bundles, bonus discount offers, extra free gift opportunities, and promotions that never showed up when I used random codes. Then I realized mistake number 3. People think coupon codes are the last step. They're not. For me, code on screen worked best as the first step. Before browsing, before adding products, before doing anything. The app felt completely different. Better deals, more rewards, stronger offers. And honestly, that's why I still use this code instead of searching for a new viral code every week. Because I'd rather use one code that's consistently giving me better coupon bundles and free gift offers than waste time testing dozens of random ones. Now let's keep this real. Will one coupon code guarantee the same rewards for everyone? No. Promotions can vary between users, but after comparing a lot of different codes, the one on screen consistently gave me the strongest overall experience. And that's the only reason I still recommend it. Before you copy another random Temu code, try the one on your screen first. Then tell me honestly which gave you the better coupons and free gift offers.